We also had the news that Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach are retiring their Log Flume. So essentially they put a big statement up on their Facebook page to say that unfortunately, due to their ever-growing maintenance work needed to keep the ride running safely, they've made the difficult decision to remove it. And this patrons of Great Yarmouth have taken this calmly and respectfully on Facebook. There is over 1,600 comments, and I've read through everyone to select the best, which we have put together in a little montage for you, which we're calling
How salty do you want to be about the Log Flume?
Yes! Which we'll perform for you now, and we hope you enjoy it. Very sad day when that's gone. So many memories, laughter and tears. This is sad news. Like most things, it probably comes down to money, or rather lack of. Crying emoji. Sad to see it go, but won't be sad not to have a wet bum at the end of every session. It's the end of an era. Oh no, how will I tell George? You just lost a customer. Big mistake. There are loads of bigger and better theme parks, but we come back to Pleasure Beach because of the Log Flume. We won't visit anymore now, sadly. You can't have a fairground without a Log Flume. It's like having a fucking chippy that doesn't sell chips. Exasperated emoji. Am I the only one not sorry to see it go? Compared to other Log Flumes I've been on, I thought the experience of the ride was bland. No features to look at whilst floating around. Just found it a bit boring. I remember going on it back in about 2008 with 4 other mates. Myself being 13 stone and the 3 others being of somewhat portly with muffin tops and food babies, and one, quotation mark, thin lad. Needless to say that roughly 83 stone managed to stop the ride. It was more like a submarine flume as the heaviest one was at the front. Sorry to the management. Why would you get rid of one of your best rides at the Pleasure Beach? That Log Flume is so unique and it's classic. Unlikely to visit again, TBH. You're getting rid of one of your best rides. Bad decision, GYPB. Well, they just explain why they're getting rid of it. Rhetorical question, hun. This is the main ride that makes the trip and the cost worthwhile. Think again. No! You can't! There must be a law somewhere. Stop it. Soon there will be no Log Flumes left in the UK. This actually breaks my heart. Broken heart emoji. Thinking of the memories of this ride. Sad tears emoji. Well, I'm never going back to Yarmouth. Great Yarmouth likes this comment. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Out and Back Travel podcast. You can join us every week on Apple, Amazon Music, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you get your podcasts. Please consider subscribing and tell all your enthusiast friends in that single rider queue.